Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is Mr. Mudathir from Legacy School and this is ICT Year 4. Remember in the last lesson when we created a math quiz that asks a question? Well, we created this program that says when this sprite is clicked, this is the sprite. When it's clicked, ask what is 3 plus 4 and wait. Wait for what? For the answer. And then we added an if statement right here. This is called an if statement. What kind? The kind that has if, then, else. If, then, else. Meaning, if this happens, then bring this message. But if this didn't happen, bring the other message. So this is based on the test that happens here. If this test passes, then bring out this output. But if this test didn't pass, then else bring this output. So let's try it again. Now it's asking what is 3 plus 4. Let's answer 7 and press on the tick. You are right, because this test passes, it's going to say you are right. But if this didn't pass, it's going to say try again. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to add more than one question to our quiz. So let's get started. In your opinion, to add more questions, what should we do? To add more questions like this one. What is 3 plus 4 and wait? We want the computer to ask you this question and then ask again more mathematical questions. To do so, go to Sensing and bring another Ask block and type another quiz or another question. This time I'm going to ask a different question. What is 4 plus 5? Question mark. Now I'm going to repeat exactly the same if statement with the same test that happens here. So the if block is found in control. But I don't want just the if and then. I want the if, then, else, right? So I'm going to drag this here. Now I want to grab the test from operators. You see this block over here? It says something equals something. So I want this to be on my if test here, and I'm going to grab here. I'm going to tell them if the answer equals something. So answer is found in sensing, and here it is. If the answer equals, what's 4 plus 5? 9. Then tell the user that he is right or she is right. So I'm going to grab the block from looks over here and type you are right. But what if he didn't answer this correctly? I'm going to grab another message here and type try again. This is for when the user makes a mistake. Let's try this. Let's try and run this program. Let's click on the sprite. So first it asks through what's 3 plus 4, and 3 plus 4 is 7. And the minute I press tick, it's going to ask me the second question. Tick, you are right. Now it's asking me what is 4 plus 5, and the answer is 9, and tick. So now you know that the program reads, or the computer reads the program line by line, or in this case block by block. Okay, so this is how the computer deals with everything or every single software. It executes the program line by line. First it's asked me about this question, and then it run the test for if whether the answer is correct or not. And then it's asked me about the second question, and then it ran the if statement. Now very quickly I'm going to add a third question. I'm going to sensing, ask another question, type whatever equation or problem, math problem that you have on your mind. What is 5 plus 6? Question mark. Then grab the if statement from the control. And there it is. I want an operator to show up here, so I'm going to the operator and choose two variables, something equals something, and over here I'm going to put the answer right here. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. Now if the answer is 11, then go to looks and grab say block and then type you are right or you are correct. But if the answer doesn't equal 11, grab another message and say try again. Now let's run this program with all three questions and see how it goes. Click on the green flag and then click on the sprite. It's asking what is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is 7 and tick. It's saying you are right. Now it's asking me the second question. 4 plus 5. 9 and tick. It's saying you are right. What is 5 plus 6? 11 and tick. You are right. So this is basically how you can understand that the computer really understands the programs line by line or executes the programs line by line, and it goes from the top to the bottom that way. And this is how you create a math quiz with more than 1 or 2 questions. I can go on and create this quiz for all of my friends and add more questions and make it longer and longer. Well, that is it. This is it for this lesson. I hope you guys understood it. If you have a computer at home, please do practice, and if you don't, this is found on the book, page number 27. Till I see you in the next lesson, take good care. Bye.